Constructive Developments from Leaders and Governments Around the World, Part 3 of 5. A new bill is under consideration by the United States Congress that would stop the development of any new large animal people factories and phase them out by 2040. The bill has also garnered the support of over 200 sustainable agriculture, animal people welfare, and public health environmental organizations.
In order to address climate change and reduce cruelty to animal people, the City Council of Berkeley in California, USA, passed a resolution to replace 50% of the animal people meat and dairy it purchases with plant-based foods by 2024. This means more veg meals will be provided at the city's public events, summer camps, senior centers, and jail. Berkeley also plans to set a goal of eventually phasing out all of its animal people product purchases, which would make it the first U.S. city to do so.
In August 2021, 46 members of the United States House of Representatives sent a letter to the House Agricultural Committee asking to include $200 million for research on plant-based alternative proteins and lab-grown meat in the 2022 Budget Reconciliation Package. Soon after, members of the United States Congress asked the Department of Agriculture to expand funding for alternative protein research to $50 million to improve the sustainability and resiliency of our food systems and create new economic opportunities for American farmers, new benefits for consumers, and help reduce agricultural greenhouse gas emissions.
The European Union's European Parliament has approved the Farm to Fork Strategy Report, which will guide the continent's move away from large-scale animal people factories and towards environmentally friendly organic and plant-based agriculture. The plan stresses that industrial animal people raising increases the risk of zoonotic diseases spreading and seeks to prohibit the caging of people from the animal kingdom in such operations possibly by 2027. The report also acknowledges that the current food system is not within the bounds of planetary sustainability, and that the new path will transition Europe's food consumption patterns toward plant-based and away from animal people meat and ultra-processed products. In February 2022, the European Parliament adopted the European Union Beating Cancer Resolution, allocating €170 million to encourage member states to adopt more sustainable and healthier food systems. The resolution highlights plant foods such as whole grains, legumes, fresh fruits, and vegetables to help save Europeans from cancer.
For the first time, the Chinese government created a national strategy to shift away from traditional animal people products and focus instead on future foods, including plant-based eggs and lab-grown meat, to ensure the country's food security. The 5-year plan to invest in such new technologies could lead to the replacement of slaughterhouses with laboratories and hasten a market for lab-grown meat. Experts say China's policy will influence the rest of the world.
Taiwan, or Formosa, passes a law requiring the government to encourage and promote low-carbon diets, specifically referring to plant-based food. It was stated that the Council of Agriculture and all levels of government are required to promote the diet, with mandates for civil society also to participate, etc. These are just some of the constructive developments from world leaders and governments that are helping our world advance to a safer, healthier, more peaceful, and prosperous future. May heaven bless all involved with ever more wisdom and courage to take further righteous policy actions.
Suppose you promote organic plant-based food. No, whoever, the government, whoever decided to approve this plant-based diet solution, just approve it only. He will earn, my God, thousands of zillions of spiritual merit points. And we need a lot of points to go back to heaven. Whoever approves this even, just one time, enough for him to fly to heaven already. After he leaves this world, he doesn't even need any more pilgrimage, doesn't even need to do anything else even. whoever approved of that, and whoever makes sure that it's carried out will obtain the same spiritual merit points that heaven will bestow upon them.
For more details and free downloads, please visit suprememastertv.com/scrolls.